यासिर वेट, यासिर एक तो हिलना बंद करो पहले, बिल्कुल सीधे बैठो बेटा, बिल्कुल सिट स्ट्रेट। नाउ से द मैजिक विंडो।
The magic
हिलो
window.
मत, हिलो नहीं, अब पढ़ना शुरू करो।
Jason was ill. The
स्टॉप स्टॉप,
doctor.
इल के बाद रुको, फुल स्टॉप है ना। जेसन वॉज इल, जैसे मैं पढ़ रही हूँ वैसे पढ़ो। जेसन वॉज इल,
Jason was ill.
द डॉक्टर
The doctor
टोल्ड हिम टू रेस्ट,
told him to rest.
ही कुड नॉट
He could not
मीट हिज फ्रेंड्स।
meet his friend.
जेसन वॉज
Jason was
very sad
very sad
and lonely.
and lonely.
Stop. Switch off your mic. Children, जैसे मैं पढ़ रही हूँ साथ में आप एक एक बच्चे का मैं नाम लेती जाऊंगी, आप लोग पढ़ते जाएंगे, बट प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि आप पढ़ते समय ऐसे ऐसे हिलेंगे नहीं, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट शायान, शायान प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा। I think Shayan is not there. So next is Sanskar. Sanskar. One day,
One day,
Jason looked out.
Jason looked out.
Jason. Say Jason looked out
Jason looked out
of his window.
of his window.
He saw
He saw
a penguin
a penguin
eating an ice cream.
eating an ice cream.
The penguin said,
The penguin said,
"Good afternoon, Jason."
Good afternoon, Jason.
Then it
Then it
hopped away.
hopped away.
Switch off your mic, Sanskar. Hashvi. Jason was
Jason was
very surprised.
very surprised.
After a while,
After a while,
he saw
he saw
a monkey
a monkey
playing the
playing the
cymbals.
cymbals.
More animals
One animal
came along.
came along.
Switch off your mic, Hashvi. यासिर अभी भी बुक में ही देखते रहो. I can ask you to read and I can ask anyone to read. Vidushi. A fox
Ma'am,
because you were not paying attention, Vidushi, you raised your hand but you didn't know where you were reading. A fox
fox.
played the
A fox played a.
wait, Vidushi, you are not paying attention. You have to
Fox
read
played
after
the
me.
violin.
Vidushi, you have to read after me. जब मैं पढ़ूंगी उसके बाद तुम पढ़ोगी. Okay, put your finger on the line where we are reading. A fox
A fox
played the
played the
violin.
violin.
An elephant
An elephant
played the drums.
played the drums.
A dog
A dog
danced for him.
danced for him.
Jason laughed.
Jason laughed.
He thought
He thought
it must be
it must be
a dream.
a dream.
Switch off your mic, Vidushi. Akshita. Soon, Jason became.
Him
फिर से अक्षिता. Soon,
Soon,
Jason became
Jason became
healthy again.
healthy again.
He went back
He went back
to school.
to school.
At school,
At school,
फिर से पढ़ो. At school,
at school,
अक्षिता फिर से पढ़ो. At school.
at school,
मैं इस स्कूल तो नहीं कह रही हूँ बेटा, मैं स्कूल कह रही हूँ, ठीक है. At school,
at school,
Jason met
Jason met
his best friend
his best friend
Jaideep.
Jaideep.
He saw
He saw
something
something
colorful
colorful
in Jaideep's
in Jaideep's
school bag.
school bag.
Okay, switch off your mic, Akshita. Advait,
Yes, ma'am.
read after me, okay? The bag was
The bag was
full of
full of
colorful animal
colorful animal
costumes.
costumes.
Jaideep had
Jaideep had
come to
come to
Jason's window
Jason's window
wearing
wearing
different animal
different animal
costumes.
costumes.
He wanted
He wanted
to cheer
to cheer
his friend.
his friend.
Very good, Advait. Switch off your mic, child. Tasmia.
Yes, ma'am.
Jaideep,
Jaideep,
you are
you are
very kind
very kind
and caring,
and caring.
said Jason.
And Jason,
It is
it is
good to have
good to have
friends like you.
friends like you.
Very good. Now come back to page 70, all of you. अभी तक सबसे अच्छे तरीके से अद्वैत ने पढ़ा है. He was putting his finger on the book and he was reading very nicely. So जैसे अद्वैत ने पढ़ा था, I want all of you to read like that. Akshay Gupta, read after me, okay? The magic window.
The magic window.
Jason was
Jason was
ill.
is
Ill.
a
The doctor
the doctor
told him
told him
to rest.
to rest.
He could not
He could not
meet his friends.
meet his friends.
Jason was
Jason was
very sad
very sad
and lonely.
and lonely.
One day,
One day,
Jason looked out
Jason looked out
of his window.
his window
Of his window.
of his window.
He saw
He saw
a penguin
a penguin
eating an
eating an
ice cream.
ice cream.
The penguin said,
The penguin said,
"Good afternoon, Jason."
Good afternoon, Jason.
Good, Akshay. Switch off your mic, beta. Akshat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, repeat after me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then it
Then it
hopped away.
hopped away.
Jason was
Jason was
very surprised.
very surprised.
After a while,
After a while,
he saw
he saw
a monkey
a monkey
playing the cymbals.
playing the cymbals.
More animals
More animals
came along.
came along.
A fox
A fox
played the violin.
played the violin.
A fox
A fox
played the violin.
played the violin.
An elephant
An elephant
played the drums.
played the drums.
A dog
A dog
danced for him.
danced for him.
Okay, good. Switch off your mic, beta. Izan, switch on your mic.
Jason loved
Wait, beta. Izan, wait. तुम्हें मेरे पीछे पीछे पढ़ना है. Okay. Okay. Please wait. Huh? Jason laughed.
Jason laughed.
He thought
He thought
it must be a dream.
he must hear dream.
Again, it must be a dream.
He missed it a dream.
No, Izan. It must be
He must be
a dream.
a dream.
Soon, Jason became healthy again.
Healthy again.
He went back
He went back
to school.
to school at
Wait, बेटा. आपको instructions follow करने हैं. ठीक है? I know you know how to read, but अब आज हमारे साथ साथ पढ़ना है. Okay? At school, Jason met his best friend Jaideep. He saw something colorful in Jaideep's school bag. Okay, Izan, you can switch off your mic now. Shayan, I think you had lost your turn. Are you there, Shayan? Yes, Shayan. We'll continue with you. Right. चलिए मेरे पीछे पीछे पढ़िएगा. The bag was full of colorful animal costumes. Jaideep had come to Jason's window wearing different animal costumes. He wanted to cheer his friend. Jaideep, beta turn the page. Jaideep, you are very kind and caring, said Jason. It is good to have friends like you. Good, Shayan. Switch off your mic, child. Now, children, tomorrow also in the last period, we will be doing reading like this one. Izan, what are you doing, child? Okay. So, those who did not get a chance today to read will get a chance tomorrow, right? इस बीच आपका काम ये है कि जो हमने आज पढ़ाया है, जिस तरीके से रीडिंग कराई है, यू विल प्रैक्टिस रीडिंग एट होम. जिन्होंने मुझे आज का क्लास वर्क पर्सनल पे सेंड नहीं करा है, प्लीज़ सेंड मी द वर्क ऑन पर्सनल. Those who have not completed the classwork, complete it and send it to me before 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock you send, I will not check it. Right? So I think I can tell you all to now take a break, and you all can take a break. Your classes for today are over. We will meet again tomorrow